Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and switch the hood. The new one showed up. Got to get it ready to go in and have paint and the few little dents pulled out. So I think it's fairly self-explanatory. Pop your hood hinges or your hood latches off. Windshield wiper sprayers come off. The hardware for the closer and the spring come off. And then there's the torque bits on the hinges, or torque screws on the hinges that come off. So it shouldn't be too bad. I think the hardest part's going to be picking the hood up, setting it down, putting the new one on so it doesn't slide across the fender and create more damage, or slide back and break a windshield wiper or something. So here we go. Okay guys, got it off. The T50s on the hood, the paint strips right off of them, so that's kind of a bummer. No big deal, I mean it's getting repainted, but just another one of those things. To take it off first, just so it was easier to reach, I just popped the windshield washer line off, and then we'll come back over here, and there's a squeeze on the top and on the bottom, and then it should just pop out through the other side. And the same thing with these clips. I'm gonna have to figure out how they pop out that hold the windshield wiper squirter tube. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pop the heat shield off so that I can get to the bumpers and get those on the next hood. Catch up with you guys in a minute. Okay guys, are you as excited as I am? I'm pretty excited. Which one did we get? You should comment. Wow, that wouldn't work. Yeah, anyways. There it is. Super excited. I think it's gonna look awesome on there. So the instructions say, set it on, loosely snug everything, get it square corner to corner, and then tighten it up as you go. So we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna have to have the camera down and have my wife help me set it on. That way we don't risk damaging anything else. I'll show it to you in a minute. Thanks. And there she is. The Avenger hood is on the 15 Wrangler. I think it turned out pretty darn good. The biggest thing I can say is take your time and get the body lines right. I'm gonna wait to put the inserts in until after it's painted. That way the body shop doesn't have to pull those out to paint around them. I'd like the paint to all be all the way underneath of them instead of just around them. So I'm gonna wait and put those guys in after the fact, but that is the Avenger hood. I think it turned out pretty cool. It's a heat dissipating hood, so it'll, in theory, help with the higher temperatures that these Jeeps run. I wouldn't say they overheat, but they do run higher temperatures. So there it is. I think it turned out pretty sweet. I'll let you guys see it after we get it painted, and then we're gonna put some decals back on it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or thoughts about it. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.